Look at that, boys and girls. I like to work comfortably. Okay, hey, how's everyone doing today? Happy New Year 2022. Yeah, first week of the new year. So, what are we doing today? Today, I am going to be replacing this. What is that? That there is the transmission rear seal. I'll go under the car and show you exactly what I have to replace. Here we go. Alright, here we go. Okay, so when I was under here before doing the undercar video, I noticed, not sure if you guys can see, hold on a second. Right there on the back end, you can see there is, unfortunately, tranny fluid coming out of the back, so I ordered a new seal. Now, as far as I can tell from what I've seen online, is I just got to pull the yoke out, which means I just got to undo the four. Oh, I don't know what you guys can see back here. All right, so I got to undo the four bolts there to drop the drive shaft and pull it out of the tranny and then change the seal. Yeah, I do not like working under the car. I don't like working under the car at all. Oh well. Hey guys, okay, I got the drive shaft off. See there. And that's what it looks like. The drive shaft off. So this is the back end of the tranny for guys that don't know. And I gotta change this here. Oh, that doesn't look good. That's seated right in there, eh? Oh man, that's not gonna be easy to get out. Anyways, sorry I can't video while I'm doing it, guys, but I just haven't worked out how to set things up underneath here and work at the same time. But I'll get to that eventually. Manny, be good. Okay, so I got the seal out. And as you can see, there's the old one. I had to beat the shit out of it in order to get to the little lip. It must be original because there's a bit of a better lip on this one. So, anywho, that's the old, that's the new. And there you go. I'll go up, fire her up, and then come back down and make sure she's not leaking. Okay, out. What's up, my boys? Hey, what do you want? What do you want? What do you want? Boys are getting antsy, spending too much time on the car and not enough time with them, I guess. Anywho, okay, so I got the rear transmission seal changed out. Beauty. No more leakage from down there. I started it up, ran it a bit. So it's good. Now, I'm very happy with this car because that's pretty much all that it needed. But I just gotta tell you guys, when you buy used cars, you have to go through them and make sure everything's okay, right? So I'm I'm happy, man. I'm happy with it. I'm happy. I mean, yeah, sure, you get the safety done, but you know, I want to make sure everything is good to my specs. Alrighty. Well, you guys have a great night. Take care.